Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to IAS E Academy. Okay, so this is Venkatesh.B.Patil. Today I'll discuss about what is IAS examination. Okay, so this is a body of UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. So it is a constitutional body under Article 315. So Union Public Service Commission is a constitutional body under the Article 315 says that to conduct a all India service examinations. So all India service examination. So all India service examination is under the there are IAS, IPS and IAFS. So there are 3 exams conducted by the UPSC under the all India services. The IAS is nothing but a Indian Administrative Service. So second one is IPS, Indian Police Service, and third one is IAFS, Indian Forest Service, not Foreign Service. Foreign Service under the central government like SSC like that. Okay, this is the Indian Forest Service. Today I will focus IAS. Today I will focus IAS. Okay. Some of the experts say that IAS examination is a world's one of the second toughest examination. Okay, it is a world's second toughest examination. So IAS examination includes there are preliminary examination, second one is mains examination, nothing but a descriptive examination, mains examination. Third one is the personal interview. The personal interview is there. Okay, the first one is preliminary examination, the second one mains examination, nothing but a descriptive writing examination, and third one is personal interview is there. This is preliminary examination only for the qualify the mains. So second sector, that is mains examination. So this is only for qualifying. Okay, this is only for qualifying. The prelims examination considers there are 2 papers, one is general studies, second one is CSAT. Okay, the first one paper preliminary examination consider there are 2 papers, the first one is general studies, the second one is CSAT. General studies are paper 1, that is CSAT are paper 2. Okay, so general studies are paper 1, that is second one is CSAT are paper 2. So GS considers so GS including the topic of current events of national and international importance, history, geography, economics, environment is there, general science is there, and so many governance is there, polity is there, so many issues including the GS is there. The second one is CSAT. CSAT nothing but a civil services aptitude test. CSAT is civil services aptitude test. Okay, so this is only for the just qualifying is there. So this is the civil services aptitude test, that nothing but a CSAT. Okay, CSAT are paper 2. It includes the mental ability, reasoning is there, data interpretation is there, English comprehension is there. So other issues up to SLC level content is there, up to SSLC level means 10th level syllabus will be included in the civil service aptitude test. Okay, this is for 200 marks, this is also 200 marks. Okay, this is only for 33% of eligibility is there, though CSAT is only 33% is eligibility, then this is for merit is there, second paper GS is for merit is there. Okay, this is about GS and CSAT. So go to the mains examination, that is civil service mains examination. Okay, mains examination. Okay, the mains examination includes there are 2 qualifying papers is there, there are 2 qualifying paper is there. The one is Indian language, the paper 1 nothing but a one of the Indian language. Second one is English is there. This is a compulsory Okay, the paper 1 is Indian language is there. The second paper is English is there. What is Indian language? So the schedule 8 of the Indian Constitution says that there are 22 languages are there in the schedule 12 mentioned in the, there are 22 languages are there. So which one of the languages selected for the paper 1, like Kannada, like Telugu, like Tamil, like Hindi is there. That is the taken, this is the Indian language. Second one is for only English, is compulsory. Okay, English only for compulsory, that is English is there. This is for 300 marks. Each paper is 300 marks. Okay, this is only for qualifying, that is not count for the your merit list, your rank list. Okay, this is only for qualifying the next JS papers. So to counting the only, it is only for just qualifying the your next valuation of the other papers like JS papers. Okay, this is not counted in the your merit list. Okay, so then come to GS papers. So first paper is essay is there. The first paper is essay is there. Actually the UPSC they cannot mention the syllabus, the particular syllabus of the essay is there. Just the current developments and some knowledge, your basic knowledge of the your educative system, that is called, that is including the essay is there. Okay, that is including the essay is there. So next one is, this is the 250 marks is there. Okay, this is the 250 marks. Next one is GS1. So this is the paper 1. Okay, this is a paper 1, nothing but a essay, that is GS1, nothing but a paper 2 is there. Paper 2, okay, GS1 or paper 2, GS nothing but a general studies 1, paper 2. It includes Indian history, history and geography, history and geography. Okay, history and geography of the world and society. Okay, the paper on GS1 nothing but a paper 2 is there. History, geography of the world and society is there. It includes history like medieval, ancient history, medieval history and modern history there, and art and culture also there, and world history also include this history, and geography also Indian geography and Indian Indian subcontinental geography and some geographical issues like that. So like disaster management also there. Okay, the disaster management like tsunamis, earthquakes like that, and Indian geography is there, Indian subcontinental geography is there. This is include geography and world geography also there, like physical geography of the India. Okay, so it is a good book for the, that one is J.C. Liang book is good for the world geography, J.C. Liang. Okay, this is good for the world geography, nothing but a physical geography. So okay, this is about the paper 2, nothing but a GS1. The next one is paper 2, paper 3. Okay, paper 3, nothing but a GS2, general studies 2. It includes polity and governance, and international relations and social issues. Okay, social issues are there. Okay, paper 3, nothing but a general studies 2, includes polity, Indian polity and governance, and international relations and social issues, or social issues there, social issues like polity, nothing but a, so parliament, the constitutional system, Indian constitution is there, parliament, state legislature, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, DPSP, directive principle of state policy, citizenship. So many topics including the polity. So and the governance is administration system of the Indian parliamentary system, democratic system, like that. This is under the governance is there. This is international relations including, so bilateral relations is there, bilateral relation, so multilateral relation is there. Okay, multilateral relations. Okay, trilateral relations like so India China, India Pakistan, India Asian countries, SAARC is there, BRICS is there, SCO there. Okay, Shanghai China Cooperation is there, BRICS is there. So okay, BRICS is there. So United Nations Organization is there. Some relation between the India and United Nations and India BRICS is there. India Asia is there. India SCO is there. India BRICS is there. India BIMSTEC is there. India BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative, multi-sectoral, technical and economical cooperation. Okay, this is the BIMSTEC is there. That type of relations are come under the international relations are there, and then social issues like poverty, hunger, women empowerment. So many issues come under the social issues. Okay, it is under the GS2, nothing but a paper 3. So then paper GS2. Sorry. Okay. Then paper 4, nothing but a GS3. It includes economic development, environment, disaster management, and disaster management, Indian science and technology, and so many issues are come under the GS3, nothing but a general studies 3 or paper 4. Okay, this is very important is that. So that is economic development, Indian economy, like that, environment, disaster management, science and technology, and other issues. Okay, so other issues. So economic development, nothing but India's GDP, GNP, NNP, NDP. So planning commission is there, Niti Aayog is there. So prior plans are there. So recent developments of the economic system is there. Like IBC is there. That is insolvency and bankruptcy code is there. So recent so many bills are there. Like PQT bill is there. So FRD bill is there. Finance resolution deposit insurance bill is there. So and GST is there. So okay, Indian banking system is there, Indian agriculture system also there. So many issues under the economic development of India. Okay, India and other India. Okay, then come to environment, nothing but biodiversity, environment, atmosphere is there, lithosphere is there, atmosphere is there, hydrosphere is there. So environmental assessment is there, climate change is there, global warming is there. So many issues under the environment is there. So come to next one is disaster management. So very important topic, important concept of disaster management is like so here reduction is there, response is there. So many issues under the disaster management like that. National disaster management response force is there. So many issues like recently Kerala flood is there. This is the major issues. Kerala flood is there. This is come under the disaster management like tsunami. Okay, floods are there, droughts are there. So many issues are come under the disaster management. So third one is science and technology. This is also a very important concept of your in paper 3 syllabus. So like the recent developments of the science and tech in the India. Okay, Indian scientists or any discoveries there, that is are mentioned in the science and technology. Okay, like general science also come under this one, and robotics, information technology, nanotechnology, biotechnology. So many like genetic engineering are there. So many issues all come under the science and technology, and other issues are come under the, so that is GS30 nothing but a paper 4 is there. So okay, next one is paper 4 is there. Paper 5 is there, nothing but a GS4. Okay, GS4, nothing but a ethics, integrity and aptitude. Ethics, integrity and aptitude. So basically this paper included in this very important for the IAS aspirants, IAS candidate. Okay, because without ethics the person cannot doing ethically or morally is there. That's the issue. The UPSC includes the ethics paper, that is GS4 is there. Ethics, integrity and aptitude. So this is about like case studies there, ethics, integrity and aptitude. Okay, what is ethics, what is morality, what is value, so what is Indian system or Indian society. So okay, this is integrity is there, how Indian governance is related to the ethics is there, morality is how public administration is included in the ethics, like morality or values. So many issues are included in the ethics and integrity and aptitude is there, and also it includes the case studies also there. Case studies Okay, case studies are also included in this ethics paper 4 related to the ethics, integrity and aptitude. Okay, this is about GS4 is there. So this is also 250 marks, like so GS1, so paper 1, okay, paper 1 nothing but a paper 1 250 marks, GS1 nothing but a paper 2, this is also 250 marks, then paper 3 nothing but a GS2 250 marks, then paper 4 this is also 250 marks, and after these papers there are two optional papers are there. Okay, there are two optional papers are there. This is the paper 6 and paper 7. Okay, this is also 250 marks, this is 250 marks. Okay, the total is 1750 marks are there. So that is this is about the writing examination. After clearing your mains examination, then personal interview is there. That is 275 marks. So 275 marks are there. So total 2225 marks are there. Okay, 2025 marks are, sorry, 2025 marks are. This is about the UPSC. You have to clear these exams, preliminary, mains and interview, then you getting the all India rank, then you become a IAS officer. Okay, thank you.